Okay, today in this session we are going to explain about the meta characters in regular expressions. What are meta characters? Meta characters are a part of regular expression and are the special characters that symbolizes regular expression patterns and formats. Meta characters are not used to match any pattern but to define some rules for the specific search pattern in the statement. Meta characters are also known as operators, signs, or symbols. Regular expressions module. Python has a built-in package regular expressions, which can be used to work with regular expressions. Mainly the meta character stores an information of a search patterns. Match is an object which stores the information of a search element under the class re.match. There are different types of functions to search a string for a match. They are find all, search, split, and sub. So to learn more about the match objects, let's perform a simple program on it. Here the program searches a string that is in the given string and it returns match object, span and match that is. And therefore a match stores an information of an object. These are the different types of meta characters. And in this video we're gonna discuss about these meta characters. Okay, now let's go in detail about these meta characters. Dot meta character. The dot meta character searches for any character in the string other than the new line character. In the above program, if we replace the characters in between H, E and O with star and /n, then the output is none. Caret meta character. Thus the caret meta character searches for the starting character. If the search character and the starting character are equal, it prints yes, else no. Let us discuss about the dollar meta character. The dollar meta character searches for the last character or the substring. If it matches, returns else no. The next meta character is curly braces. Here, in this program, the search one starts with the character HE and ends with the character O. In between these two, there should be exactly the specified number of characters should be present, that is 2, in the above one mentioned in the program. The next meta character is pipe meta character. Here in this program, we are going to search about either is or. If in the given string, that is the text one, if it is found either is or, it returns at least one match is found, otherwise prints no match is found. The next meta character is asterisk meta character. The asterisk represents the repetition of 0 or more times. It matches the before symbol to the star, 0 or more times. That is, in the text one, we have provided A, AC, ABC and ABBC. In the match AB star C, which is nothing but the asterisk before symbol is B. So it searches for ABC or ABBC or ABBBC. The plus meta character will match the before symbol to the plus one or more times. In the match one AB plus C. So it matches the before symbol B either one time or more times. Okay, the next meta character is question meta character. The meta character searches for 0 or 1 time only repetition of B in the given string. So the question mark before symbol is B. So the B symbol, that is ABC, searches for the B 0 or 1 time, that is AC or ABC. The next meta character is square brackets meta character. Suppose we want to get any occurrence of ABC inside a given string, we use square brackets of ABC. It also matches for A, B or C. It is very beneficial in case of searching several characters at a time in a string. Regular expression functions. The RE module offers a set of functions that allows us to search for a string for a match. Let us discuss about the sum of the functions. Search function. It returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. Find all function. Returns a list of all containing all matches. Split function. It returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Sub function. Replaces one or many matches with a string. Let us learn about the find all function. The find all function returns a list containing all matches. Let us consider a program. In this program, the list contains the matches in the order they are found. If no matches are found, an empty list is returned. Let us discuss about the search function. The search function searches the string for the match, returns a match object if there is a match. If there is more than one object, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. If there are no matches are found, value none is returned. Here start, end, span, group are the functions which are used to improve the information found in the match object. Now let us discuss about these subfunctions. Span. It returns a tuple containing start and end positions of the match. String. It returns the string passed into the function. Group. It returns the part of string where there was a match. Start. It returns the starting position. End. It returns the ending position. Let's see about the split function. The split function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. For example, in this we taken text equal to the rain in Spain. We split using the space slash as special character. So you can in the output we get the rain in Spain. These are separated by using spaces. You can control the number of occurrences by specifying max limit max split parameter. Now the subfunction. Subfunction replaces the matches with the text of your choice. In this example, we replace each whitespace character with the number 9. So the output we get as the 9 rain 9 in 9 Spain. Here we can control the number of replacements by specifying the count parameter.